Hi YouTube, I know it's been a while since we've talked, but I wanted to show you. I've actually been hard at work, and a lot of that work has been getting both of these cars running and driving. She has a little bit of an exhaust leak, so don't mind the cricket sounds. I know it sounds a little bit like a Volkswagen. Take a look at what I've been up to. Waiting on a few parts still from VP. FedEx is having some hard time delivering to me, I guess, but Bruce is getting so close as well to catching up with Genevieve. Yum. Well, I've taken a lot of videos of these cars as they were getting put back together. So we have so much to catch up on, and I can't wait to see you guys soon. They're both moving, along with all this stuff and myself, to Los Angeles, so it's gonna be a busy couple of days packing everything up, but I can't wait to get to it, and thanks so much for your continued viewership over the years. This is gonna be a fun one to show you. Yup. See you soon.